Factors Capital started in year 2017. It has been founded by Mr. KV Srinivasan along with some very senior industry leaders in banking industry. We are pure play MSME lender. So we are not in the retail business. We are targeting auto ancillaries, plastic industry, packaging, educational institute, pharmaceuticals. As we grow, we will definitely add more sectors and we'll start doing business in those clusters. We are operational in 11 branches in 5 states. As you see, right, there are lots of digital talks happening all around, right? So when we started our operation, we also realized that it is a high time that we provide a seamless experience to our sales force. So that was our key problem statement, providing the seamless digital experience to our sales team. And in turn, we are expecting that customer experience will be beyond the customer expectation in terms of getting the in-principle approval, getting the constant engagement with them. Once you decide that you need to onboard with certain software, you need to invest at least 2-3 months to get it onboarded. But if you see our records, we are able to configure the plain pure play application in I think 3 or 4 days, and integration in another week or so. And the best part about how we have implemented, we have not taken any consulting help from LeadSquare as such, right? Good part about LeadSquare team also that they are not pushing that buy our own services, and which we liked about LeadSquare as a company. Apart from sales, we also have the DSTs and DSAs. For some key DSAs, we have given the LeadSquare application so that they can also log in and do the pre-screening. Apart from that, our product team and MIS teams also use the system. So product team, do certain kind of marketing activities using the LeadSquare, and MIS team take dump from LeadSquare and then they prepare some kind of additional dashboard for the management to look into. So we use LeadSquare for our sales activity, lead capturing, lead engagement, pre-screening, and sales team productivity monitoring. So using the geo-tagging and the task monitoring and all that, we are also monitoring the sales activity performed by our sales team. So all the KPIs as such of the sales team are getting captured via the system only. We have created very simple application, means lead form, using the form builder, which is utility of LeadSquare. We talk about the main company details and then we talk about the applicant details and all. Post that, we do certain kind of pre-screening checks. So we verify PAN, verify mobile via the OTP and all that. Email verification has been done. Then we also verify the GST, and then via GST we pull the relevant information. And after completing this pre-screening, we also hit CIBIL from LeadSquare itself. So post that, based on the CIBIL score and other criteria, our sales team should be able to give the in principle go ahead for whether the case is good enough to be logged into the system or not. And we are also using the services to push the whatever information entered and create customer and the loan in our core loan origination system. Once that CIBIL integration happened, we pushed the complete lead information to our LOS system, loan origination system, and post that the detailed underwriting start happening. So under automation features, based on certain engagement, automatically leads can change to different stages, right? So what happened, let's suppose if someone has contacted 5 times and someone reverted call back, right? For outbound phone activity happened, and what will happen then, we change the status to the warm or hot lead. So this is very powerful feature because it's very adaptive also, based on the changing business need, you can configure your own automation. Dashboard is a very powerful feature which we like about LeadSquare. In traditional system, you need to get configured dashboard based on your need, right? Here what happened that you have the dashlet. So you have set of dashlets which can be configured by the user himself based on his role and his need and uses, right? So it's very powerful. Till now, there is no request came from business that I want this particular data in that way, which is not available in LeadSquare. Due to pre-screening and all, we are able to reject files on in the first meeting itself if it is not going through anyways, right? By doing that, we believe that we are able to cut down our main sales funnel by 60 to 70%. Only the quality data is moving into our core underwriting process, and our underwriting credit bandwidth is not getting choked by doing the underwriting for the cases which are not going to be fulfilled anyways. We believe that it's also give a better customer experience. There is no leakage as of now. We have linked our expense report, like how much you have traveled and all. We have linked that report with our Lead Square geotagging report. From the organizational efficiency perspective, now people are streamlined. We reached Lead Square after evaluating lots of solutions, but Lead Square has been designed in a much user-friendly manner. It's highly configurable, and it's user-friendly at the core, and it's very adaptive to the changing business need.